Hi there, it's Cristina Dougherty with Cristina Dougherty and Associates with Long and Foster. So we are in Fair Lakes at Warm Hearth, our upcoming listing, and we are not, but a contractor is doing a 6-week rehab. So we're going to kind of do a fun vlog before, during, and after, just to see the amazing transformation. These are beautiful 2-car garage townhouses in the heart of Fair Lakes, worth a lot of money, and everyone has different circumstances, and this circumstance is that this is an original owner of the past 20 something years, and it needs a full gut. So come on in and we'll show you so that you can see wowed by just changing out some things will be. So we've got a broken fireplace that will get replaced. We have old stained carpet. This will become all luxury vinyl tile flooring. We're gonna do some rehabbing of this wet bar and some possible changes in the laundry room. It has a beautiful outdoor space. So that is all gonna be part of what makes this home special. So I will let you walk ahead. We will go upstairs and show you the middle and upper levels. This staircase will remain carpet. Every wall, ceiling, every inch will be repainted. So you come up, there's this beautiful landing with lots of windows. Currently, we have another gas fireplace up here and some hardwood floors. Those will get refinished, and the rest of this main level will be hardwood. It will all get sanded. This will be newly installed and it will all get stained in place. This kitchen, the cabinets are actually cherry cabinets in wonderful condition. We are going to do quartz countertops, paint the cabinets, hopefully put a really nice backsplash on, and all new appliances. It's got a great walk-in pantry and a really nice sized island. So this pantry will, I don't know if I can just figure it out, get new flooring and be all painted. So that is a huge benefit to this house. And then I'll bring you over here, powder room. Again, we're gonna paint the cabinet. New toilets, new flooring, new lighting, etc. So we've got some very stained carpet, probably some subfloor replacement. It does have newer windows, brand new Train HVAC, new hot water heater. So again, condition on the systems is awesome. It's got a beautiful deck that's in pristine condition that was redone. So this is lots of paint, lots of flooring. We'll take you up to the bedroom level. So on the stairs, we're gonna keep carpet again. And this will be the only part of the house that's carpeted. So we've got 3 bedrooms. Let's go check out the master first. So in here, again, we're gonna do paint and carpet. It's got 3 really nice windows. It's got a great walk-in closet. And all the bathrooms will have brand new quartz countertops. Cabinets are in great condition. Those will be painted. And we have a grout company coming and rehabbing all the grout. It'll have great LVT flooring. And then let me show you something that's interesting to increase value. So we do have 2 additional bedrooms, but right now they are set up as like a office / bedroom. So you see these glass French doors. So these will be removed and this will be drywalled. So we have 2 real bedrooms to make this an official 3-bedroom house, which I'm sure this was an option from the builder. The owner was single. This made sense for her because she was in the master. I'm sure she had a guest room and an office, but most people are gonna have families and will need this space. So, and then lastly, in the bathroom here, Again, we've got great condition on cabinets. Those will be painted, quartz countertops, new toilet, new flooring. So in about 6 weeks, you will not recognize this as the same house. So smart of the sellers to do a rehab before they sell it. Rates are low and buyers want a move-in ready home, and that is what we are going to give them. So stay tuned. This should be fun.